Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Netflix account. Now to delete your Netflix account, firstly head over to the Netflix app. Now there are two ways to delete Netflix account. First option is to cancel membership and other way is to completely delete your Netflix account. Now let's try our first way to delete Netflix account. Now from the home page of your Netflix, tap on profile icon at the top right. From here, tap on account option. Now scroll a bit down and there tap on cancel membership button. Now tap on finish cancellation to cancel your membership from Netflix. Now here it is that it will affect on this date and till that date you can watch movies and TV shows on Netflix. And within 10 months, if you change your mind and come back, your Netflix account will be reactivated. But after 10 months, your Netflix account will be completely deleted. Now, if you want to delete your Netflix account right now, then go back to your account section and scroll to the bottom of the page. And there you will be able to see delete account option. Tap on that option. And there firstly you need to confirm your identity, so tap on email a code, then it will send you a verification code. Enter that verification code and after that this type of interface will open up on your screen. Now firstly you need to cancel your membership before deleting your account. After you cancel your membership, tick the small square box and then tap on permanently delete button. After that your account will be permanently deleted. And those were the two ways to delete your Netflix account. I hope you liked this video and found useful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.